I'm Sarah.
And I'm Christine.
And we're the co-founders of Glow Recipe.
We are so excited to introduce you to the newest member of the watermelon family,
the Watermelon Glow Pore-Tight Toner.
Inspired by the Korean aqua peel facial, this toner refines and minimizes the appearance of pores and offers an incredible amount of long-lasting hydration all in one step.
Watermelon Glow Pore-Tight Toner is your first step of leave-on hydrating treatment and is formulated with watermelon, cactus water, willow bark extract, a natural source of BHA, and PHA, polyhydroxy acid.
Check out this texture. This unique, bouncy, stringy look you can see is due to the cactus water.
Rich in electrolytes and antioxidants, it both hydrates and helps maintain your hydration level while protecting it from evaporating.
Cacti stay hydrated in the most extreme climates. So imagine what this ingredient can do for your skin. When it's combined with watermelon, the hydration level is truly amplified.
Watermelon Glow Pore-Tight Toner is also made with willow bark and polyhydroxy acid to refine the pores and smooth the skin.
Willow bark is a natural alternative to salicylic acid, and because it is a BHA, it works below the surface of the skin and is really effective for keeping pores clear.
And PHA, often called next generation AHAs, is a perfect choice for all skin types, even sensitive.
Due to its larger molecule size, PHA absorbs into the skin a bit more slowly, making it gentle and effective in smoothing the appearance of skin.
To use, dispense a quarter-sized amount into the hands, warm between the hands, and gently pat it in. Follow with your serum and moisturizer.
If you prefer to use it with a cotton round, just moisten the round and sweep it all over skin.
We know you guys are going to love being able to both refine pores and hydrate in one easy step with our new Watermelon Glow Pore-Tight Toner.
We can't wait for you guys to try it.
Until next time,
get your glow on!